to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, today I'm starting a new vlog, kind of like a fall winter week in my life. It's November 2nd, Saturday. I got my nails done this morning. Oh my god, 太喜欢了这种，叫啥来着？魔镜粉，太好看了。I'm wearing this bag, plus my nails. It's all very shimmery, glittery. Okay, talk to you guys in a second. Starburst, all pink. What is this called? Fruit by the foot? Pink Starburst is my favorite one.
I haven't had these since elementary school.
He hasn't had this since elementary school. So now we must try it. It's pretty good. I like it. You think it's mid?
I think it's mid.
I rate this like, because my favorite is pink Starburst, but the texture is like kind of weird.
Yeah, I don't like
I prefer the Starburst one a little more. Oh my god, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
I wish it was like chewier.
Yeah, it's quite soft. Maybe it's just because it's like not frozen. Anyways.
It's supposed to be frozen?
No, I don't think so. I say like 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10.
Wow, that's really generous.
I think you give it like a 3 out of 10.
No.
Like a 2 out of 10?
Like a 3 out of 10, yeah.
Yeah, 3 out of 10.
Like,
Well,
like a 4 out of 10.
we just watched Smile 2. So scary.
It's freaky, guys. Spooky.
But it was good.
It's spooky.
So scary. Ah.
I'm just gonna eat it.
Yep. Oh wow. Slay. Munch. So guys, we're here. Yeah, so cute. We had a very fun time.
Yes.
我终于拿出来相机录，来来来来，拍张。That was fun.
That was fun.
Ending Sunday or Saturday night off.
Yes.
Bye. Say bye. Bye. This is literally the most perfect Sunday because the weather is like perfect. Super puff vest and then my Aritzia TNA gray sweatpants. It's just like giving Canada. The rice flavored gelato. Try it now. Post work munch. Guys, this is actually really good. And that's the guava.
Thank you.
Say hi. Yay! We're right there. Hi.
She went to Gubi and literally didn't eat anything. Actually, I don't know how much she ate.
I'm just the 大胃王.
She said she's not full.
Yeah, like she's just the 大胃王.
Don't get full.
他们都要轰我们走了. That just means like I ate so much in 2 hours and I'm still not full. Bye, say bye.
Bye.
Guys, look at what we got. Small fry.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Why is it like this?
Whoa, guys. It is 10 p.m. This is what we're munching.
Excuse me, can I get a spoon? Oh, yeah.
Guys, look at us. It's 10 p.m. Look at the size comparison to his face. And there's a small fry.
快吃你的 fry， 快吃你的 fry。
大家，你看我收到了。哎呦，这灯不行。对，这灯不咋地。收到了圣罗兰口红的 PR， 我真的何能何得？圣罗兰啊，太开心了，真的太好看了，我真的就是想买，你知道吗？然后 I just manifested it, and this is my YesStyle PR. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. 太好看了。Costco 的这个牛肉，看看这个光泽，绝了好吗？太好吃了吧 ！Okay, I'm gonna go eat my protein dinner. Trader Joe's citrusy garlic and some sesame to season it up. I'm gonna try out the YSL lipstick that I just unboxed from the PR package. So excited. It literally smells like the YSL lipsticks that I buy. I mean, obviously, but let's try it out. Oh, literally the most perfect fall shade, guys. Gonna go give you guys a room tour. Hey, Teddy. Hey. Hello, Teddy. Another closet. My makeup favorites for the Sephora VIB sale. Love them so much. And here are my skincare favorites. This is the Caudalie moisturizer and the rest of the products. Love so much. Holiday stuff. Aww.